do we even know what it means to be a human? We normally use the word human being, animal being. So when we use the word being, that is unchanging, permanent state. That being is present everywhere, in everything. And the beauty is that being is only one. The space in my room, the space outside the room, the space in your house and outside, the space is one. No, I did not understand. Simple. Simple thing. To understand it clearly. You have your home? Yes. Remove the space and show me the home. There is no home without the space. There is nothing that exists without that being. So what it means by to be a human, when you are identifying yourself with a being, even at the slightest level, you are human. But if I'm identifying myself with the lower tendencies, which we normally say the animal tendencies, we lose to be human. So that human being, first thing to understand, that human part keeps on changing. It is ever and whatever is ever changing is false. False means that it is not real. Means what? You have a gold earring, right? You have a gold earring. You have a gold necklace. You have a golden ring. Tell me, golden ring is gold first or golden ring first? Golden necklace first or gold first? That is the first question. The gold is first. Gold is first. Same way, the being is first. Why being is first? Because I can understand I'm a human being. I have an intellect. I have a self-awareness which is absent in animals. Now animals also have a self-awareness. And I give a simple example. A tiger jumps onto the tree full of mangoes. He is aware, and tiger is intelligent, but lacks self-awareness means that he cannot separate the objective from the subjective reality, and that is why he will remain impulsive. Why? I said, what example you are saying? Tiger jumps onto the tree, the full of fruits he can eat, he is hungry. But he jumps onto the tree to watch where is the prey when the food is available. What about the human being? Let me. Mango is there, so let me eat. Human being. So the first I have to discover the being that is unchanging, permanent part, permanent entity in me. And what is the human part? Is constantly changing. So Eastern wisdom says that human part is made up of the three bodies. Physical body, then you have subtle body that includes your mind, intellect, memory, and I thought, and the causal body coming from the ignorance. What is ignorance? I know that I don't know myself. I know myself, one statement. I know that I don't know what is real self. That real self is being. I know that I don't know French language. I'm just making a clear statement. Simply, you can say, I don't know French. But when you look at it, that you are aware, you know, you have a knowledge that you don't know the French language. So you are illiterate about the French language. Same way, I know that I don't know my real self. Why? Because I'm always aware of what is changing in my life. So that human part contains the mind and the intellect and the self-awareness. So we understand it. After understanding, the moment you get a touch, how you get a touch? By the journey of the Eastern wisdom. That is the journey of this self-discovery.